Hi, the path of a rocket fired during the fireworks display is given by this equation, where t is the time in seconds and s is the height in feet. In how many seconds will the rocket hit the ground? If he starts, just sketch something here. This is a coordinated plane. You will have the parabola like this, and you're going to have a maximum point. The reason why, because the coefficient of the t squared, or the number beside t squared, is a negative number. After how many seconds will the rocket hit the ground? He starts from here and ends here. These are the time in seconds, all right? And this is the height, all right? We need to find after how many seconds. We'll do that. Let's write this function, and s of t is the same as y, t is the same as x. So if you get confused between like the t and the s's and all of that, you can just convert it very simple to y equals 64x minus 16x to the power of 2. That's very easy. You can do that. Okay. The y-axis, or the y value in this entire, and the x-axis is always 0. Like here, the origin is 0 and 0. And here the value is going to be x, and the y value must be 0 in this side here. So you need to find the values of x, or the time in seconds, when y equals to 0. Let's rephrase this, or like rearrange it. You'll have 64x minus 16x squared equals to 0. Put y equals to 0. Let's solve this problem. You will get 16 GCF, 16x as the greatest common factor. 4 minus x equals 0. 16x times x, 4 minus x equals to 0. Now either this one equals to 0, or the parentheses equals to 0. Let's get this here. 16x equals 0, or 4 minus x equals to 0. You divide by 16, divide by 16. You got x equals 0 divided by 16 is 0. And that's exactly what we have here. X equals to 0. And the other one is you do subtract 4. Subtract 4. You get negative x equals to negative 4, and then you multiply both sides by negative 1 to get rid of the negatives. You get x equals positive 4, and that is the other one. So after 4 seconds, this one is 4 and 0. After 4 seconds, the rocket will hit the ground again. Work well.